Alright, finally, the last sketching is going to be orthographic projections. Orthos are the toughest ones to do. What you're going to find with these is you're going to have 3 separate views of the project. You're going to have a top view, a front view, and a right side. Okay, so you're going to have a top, a front, and a right side view. I draw them like this because this is how you're going to draw them down here. Okay, if I look at my ISO, my top is here, my front is here, my right side is here. And I'm going to have 3 views of that, but they're all going to be just a single view only. No 3 dimensionals. You're not going to see everything at once. Okay? I'm going to start with the front view. The front view is going to look like this. So looking at it, just like that. That's my front view of the same drawing. So my front view starts here, comes across, up, and seals. There's my front view. That's all I have to have. Why? Because that's what I'm looking at. This is more of a working drawing for putting dimensions on when I'm building something. Okay, so there's my front view. Now, when we're lining it up, we want our top view to line up exactly the same as our front view. I'm going to use a different color to show you some guidelines you can follow when you're doing this. Okay? Guidelines would look like this. I would take my line and I would draw it up. Because that's how big that view is going to be. Okay? Now, I'm not going to use measurements, so what I'm going to be doing with this is just drawing in my view where I want it to be. So I'm going to say I want it to be here. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. And then I'm going to connect those lines. This is my top view. It's also considered a bird's eye view because I'm looking at it from above. So I'm looking at this one straight down, and this is what I would see. Okay? Now I have to do my right side view. Right side view is going to be over here. Okay? So again, I'll take my guidelines. I'll draw my guidelines across. I'll take the top guideline as well, all the way across like this. So now I know how tall my project is going to be. So I can go ahead and I can draw a line across like that, and like that, giving me these details. Now the hardest part is that I have to have this exact size down here to make that view. Okay? The trick I have for you is this. We're going to draw a 45-degree angle from somewhere across this bottom line out to the right. So what I'll do is, it won't be 45 perfect because it's only a sketch right now. I'm going to go from here, I'm going to start about there, and take 45 degrees up. Next, by taking a mark, I'm going to go from here, I'm going to run across, and I'm going to say, that's my crossover. From here, across, there's my crossover there. Okay, by making those 2 points, I'm just going to take this line down and drop it. I'm going to take this line and drop it. By erasing this, what you have now is you have your top view, your front view, and your right side view. These are all detailed views of what this and this are. Okay? So the lines you're using here again are horizontal, vertical, and 45-degree just for my guideline. Otherwise, everything will be horizontal and vertical lines.